Hi, there. Today we will learn how to use collections. Collections help users to combine models of the same style. Quickly pick or replace in use. Go to Enterprise Library. Choose a model. Only 3D models can be added to collections. Click Add to Collections. Create a new collection. Also, we can select several models to bulk edit. Add to collections. When the model adds to collection, it is automatically removed from the original category. Click this collection. We can view all the models in the collection. Also can rename, delete or ungroup this collection. Ungroup means all products will be removed out of this collection and get back to their original categories. But delete means the whole collection with all models will be deleted. However, we can edit the cover of the collection. The model set as starred models can't be deleted. This is how to create a collection. Go back to Floor Planner. Choose the collection. Hover the model. All the models added in the collection are listed. These can also be clicked to view one by one. Select different models, drag and drop them to the project. This is how to use collections. That's all for today. See you next time.